Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Fit shop. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, so you keep going down here, then you click on apps and come to apps list here, and here can you looking for Fetch app, or just click here on search, then here add Fetch, so just add it here, then you click on it, so then you click here on for stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache, then you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on you click here on Play Store here, then here so you're looking for Fit shop, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.